Hey guys, this is the build progress update for the week of 4/28. So, real quick, thank you so much to everybody for giving me a follow. We hit 500 followers, so thank you so much. If you are a new person and you're watching this for the first time, if you enjoy home building content, step-by-step new construction, or home flipping tips, go ahead and give me a follow. Without further ado, we'll get into the build progress update. So last week was a really, really good week. So we were able to finish framing, finish roofing, finish windows and exterior doors, as well as rough in HVAC, and we roughed in plumbing as well at the end of the week. So huge week for us. We got through a lot. Next week is also a pivotal week because if anything gets delayed, it's kind of a domino effect. So next week, Monday, Tuesday is electrical. So I think we're going to have it done Monday, but they said it might bleed into Tuesday. Tuesday, we're doing the rough inspections for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. Wednesday, if that all goes well, which I think it will, my trades are good, so I think we'll be set on that. Unless an inspector sees something, but then we'll fix it quickly. Wednesday, we have the rough frame inspection. That's a big one. That's when they go through and they check all the rough framing. And once you get that sign off, it's on to insulation. We have insulation scheduled for Thursday. And if we make it to that point to Thursday for insulation, we're doing insulation inspection Friday, and then drywall the following Monday. We'll start hanging drywall. So once we get to that point, you're basically home free until the final inspections and the C of O. So this is getting to drywall is a huge success and achievement to get to drywall, because after that point, you're off to the races. So huge week again. So hopefully we get to drywall by next Monday. That is the plan. So if you enjoy this content, follow X Home Builds. We will be rolling out more home flipping tips as well as step-by-step new construction. Until next time.